Today we have the Logitech G502 X Plus gaming mouse, and we have Logitech Powerplay wireless charging mouse pad. Alrighty, we got it hooked up to my PC. I'll leave a link in the description where you guys have to download the software to make the mouse and the wireless charger work. So right here you can see that the wireless charging is working. When I lift up the mouse, you can see the icon on the computer go away, flash on and off. So yeah, we got a couple of options here. Customizable RGB for both products. Right here you click through the settings, light sync, change the color, RGB, whatever, get it synced with your windows. Fairly easy to do. And nothing else special with the wireless charging mouse pad. But with the mouse, there's a couple of customizable options. So with the extra buttons on the mouse, you could use them as hotkeys, macros, or there is a default option for games, which I'm using here, Cyberpunk. So with the left far trigger, I'm going to use it for scan, which in the game is tap on keyboard. So it's super easy on the mouse to do. It's just super useful in game. You know, there's different varieties of games out there you could just set a bunch of hotkeys for. And I set another hotkey to the scroll wheel. I set it to Y. In game for Cyberpunk is skipping the dialogue. That is very useful because you don't have to reach for Y on the keyboard, you know, super fast. This works so good in game, really fast, responsive. For G7, hotkey is the map M, super useful. Then for the G5, I got F5, which is quick save in game. And G8 is the quick scanner. Super useful in game. Here's the fastness of the response time of the hotkey on the gaming mouse. Here I'm using quick scan. Then quick save, which is F5. Have it on the side of the mouse here. And right underneath the quick scan, we have the map option. Hotkey set for that. The last button hotkey I have is set for is R, which is reload in game. Super neat and useful. Change the color on this bad boy. So this gaming mouse is a bit heavy in the hand, but there's some time to adjust with that. But it's wireless, so no cable. And we're using the wireless charging mouse pad, which has this hard surface on top, so it's really super smooth to use the mouse on it. Alright, let's try some Call of Duty.
That's it for the unboxing and review. If you liked this video, comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.